Good evening. Let's look at Nifty and Bank Nifty. There are a couple of things which are not looking pretty good for the up move. Let's analyze the chart from price, volume, momentum, and volatility per se also, so that we understand how exactly we need to proceed for the next week. So, if I look at the price in terms of daily chart, what I see is yesterday or day for yesterday, there was a low which was made around 19,600 levels. From 600, there was a up move. This up move, if this market was still making higher highs and higher lows, this up move from Tuesday, these 2 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, whatever up move that we saw, this should have ideally seen a new high or at least closing above 19,700 as far as price is concerned. And today's red candle is basically engulfing last one, two, three, or four candles highs and the lows also. It is a kind of a bearish engulfing pattern in terms of price. Not only that, if I take a look at the price here, just give me a sec. Yeah. This orange line is a short-term moving average, and if you see this short-term moving average, we have been closing above the short-term moving average for a very long time, at least for a couple of weeks. This is the first time where we see price closing below short-term moving average very decisively. So price showing a bearish engulfing pattern and closing below short-term moving average, both are price and price derivatives, which is not looking pretty decent as far as the chart is concerned. Now, if I look at the momentum, which is RSI, see there was a positive reversal. That means if you see these two, compare these two lows in terms of price and in terms of RSI, higher low in price, lower high in RSI, this is a classic positive reversal. So whenever we see the positive reversal, we were supposed to expect an up move. This up move of last 2 days basically found resistance at the long-term moving average of RSI itself. We have been trading above this red line for a while. This is the first time where we saw RSI finding resistance at the long term moving average of RSI itself, which is not a good sign. And we also have this positive reversal, which is not meeting its target. Now, when I look at volatility aspect, this up move closed outside the 2SD band of Bollinger. This up move was unable to touch the upper band of the Bollinger, and this up move is quite away from the Bollinger band upper band 2SD bands. That means first time closing outside the band, second time just lower than the band, third time the difference between the high to the upper band is increasing basically. So this is the volatility divergence. We have a momentum loss plus we have volatility divergence in Nifty chart. If I look at hourly chart, for a lower thing, we are right now at support area. So basically, this bands which you're looking at, the Bollinger bands on the hourly chart, is getting now parallel. This parallel Bollinger Band means that we are in a sideways action. So basically, right now we will probably hover between 19,800 to 19,600. So any big move will be only above 800 or below 600. So if 600 breaks, we could expect further sell off towards 19,500 and next to 19,400 levels. So basically, 800 becomes a very strong resistance. Even before the 18th resistance being tested, see there was a kind of a low which was made. See this here, this low that was made, and from there was a sell off. So this is the low, this is a support area, small support area was there. The support is broken. So once this support is broken, most importantly, this would probably turn into resistance area for tomorrow. So 760, 770. So if there is any struggle to cross 760, 770 on the price chart, what will happen is price is settling. It's a broad sideways market. Within the sideways market, if the market is unable to get back over 750, 760, we will have price consolidation on the lower half of the range. The range is 800 to 600, but if 750 is struggling, then we will have the price probably consolidating in the lower half of the broader range, which is again not a healthy sign. So let's look at 750, 800. So as long as 800, 750 is not broken, we will not take any strong bullish view on the Nifty chart. So basically, if 750, it is too early to say we will short. We have to have a good setup to short. Right now, the setup is not there to short. We probably have a sideways view. 780 800 on the upside, 600 on the downside. Any struggle to cross 750 will have a lower high. So there is already a lower high here, and we will have one more lower high. For the next lower high to form, we need to not cross 750. So any struggle to cross 750 will have to push the market on the lower side, 750 to 600. So then if 600 is challenged, then we'll have to extend the range towards 19,500. So this is what the plan right now is. Right now, place sideways, 800 is resistance, 600 support. Struggle to cross 750, one more opportunity to short towards 9,600, 650 is given to us. Right? So play sideways to slightly bearish view, but bearish view not tomorrow immediately, around 750 levels where our risk reward is very comfortable. So 750 becomes a make or break for tomorrow. 750 doesn't break, expect one more round of sell off towards 650, 600 levels. Right? So play sideways to slightly bearish view on Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty is slightly weaker compared to Nifty chart, because on a daily chart, if you see today, there is a big red candle, and this red candle is basically closing below the low of last 5 days. So this is a big bearish engulfing pattern happening in the daily chart, and price is at the short term moving average. So if tomorrow market breaks for today's low is around 45,570. Let's say if market goes below 45,500, further sell off is expected. So no big sell off is expected as long as 45,500 is intact on Bank Nifty. But bearish engulfing today is not a very strong sign. In terms of price, it is around the short term moving average, so nothing alarming in terms of moving averages. When it comes to RSI is nothing different. We still have higher rise in Nifty at RSI struggling to cross this red line, which is a resistance now. We don't have that kind of a setup in RSI on Bank Nifty, but price is not very healthy. When it comes to Bollinger Bands, RSI closed outside 2SD this time, second time just touched, third time unable to touch that point. That means volatility is slowly giving up. So there is kind of a volatility divergence in the market, suggesting that up move is slightly difficult as of now. If I look at hourly chart, there is a strong sell-off today, and Bollinger Bands are horizontal. Bollinger Bands horizontal means that this market has turned into sideways rather than bullish. So if any struggle to cross 46,000, if we see tomorrow, there will be some kind of a pullback because we are at support area. So at support area, usually we will not short, we expect a further up move. So this up move is struggling to cross 46,000, then it will be settling into 46 to 45 500. Shorting or bearishness or correction is only below 45 500. So as long as 45,000 is intact, we don't have to worry about bearishness. As long as market is struggling to cross 46,000, we don't have to worry about bullishness also. So 45,500 to 46,000 sideways action, struggle to cross 46,000 will give us one more opportunity to create a short position towards 45 500. Only below 45 500 we will have to worry about the correction as of now. So divergence in volatility, we are at support both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. We are at support area. 18,600 is the support and 45,500 is the support area. So both are at support. So we expect some up move. If this up move cannot cross 18,750 on the Nifty chart and 46,000 on the Bank Nifty chart, we will have one more opportunity to create a short position. Till then, we will play sideways right now. So this is the plan. Bull showing some sign of weakness on Nifty. 750 is a resistance. Any struggle to cross 750 will give one more opportunity to create a short position there. Can expect 750 to 500 range. 46 seems to be a resistance going into next week. Bearish engulfing is seen on daily chart. Sell on rally market. Do I have to sell immediately? No. Our sell position should be having a lower risk, and that lower risk is basically around 46,000 levels on Bank Nifty and 19,750 levels on Nifty. Till then, I would play sideways on both the charts. This is what I see in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see how we can plan tomorrow. See you next video, and to keep getting these updates, to follow us on all the Telegram, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, and all other social media channels so that you don't miss any of these updates. And thank you so much. Bye bye.